today's lesson is about the letters Alif and Waw. Those letters are two of the 6 unconnected letters. They are letters that are not connected to the letter after them. So if you see a letter that is not connected to the letter after it, you will know it's one of those 6 letters. Alif makes the A sound. In addition to that, when it is used in the beginning of a word, it can make the A, I, and U sound, depending on the signs used on it. Waw makes the W and the U sound. Here is a trick that will help you remember the letters Alif and Waw. Just think of the numbers 1 and 9. Alif is the first letter in the alphabet. It looks like the number 1, and makes the A sound, which is the first letter of the alphabet. Waw looks just like the number 9. Wow! That is amazing. All unconnected letters have the same shape, no matter where in a word they are used. Now let's look at examples.
واحد واحد أنا أول صوم
Here's a little exercise. This is a small chapter from the Qur'an. Pause the video, and try to find the unconnected letters. Pause now. Here are the correct answers. Pause the video, and check the answers. If you have any questions, or need clarifications, let me know, and I will answer your questions, God willing.